lot of ring tension there. Okay. That's why I had the rings in there, to put tension on it. Okay, this other one, the problem is there's no room to get the thing in here because the cylinder hits up against the head. I mean, at the frame. And there's no way that damn thing's going to go together easily because I got such a tight clearance on that. There's oil, something on the oil there or not. Alright, so I'm thinking the rings are not going to happen on the back hole. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the rings off this one, or at least one of them. If I leave one in there, maybe I can get it in there. We'll try it with one. Could be a bitch to put this motor together. Okay, so getting this back in here is not easy. No way you can do it that way. I did it before. I came through from the other side. That cock over there. All right, carry it over the top. Notch right here allowed me to get over the cylinder. When I hit it just right, like that. That's the only way that cylinder goes on. Screw my ring, I hope not. There it goes. A lot of gas on that thing for some reason. Petcock has feel on it, but it doesn't drip. It goes all over the cylinder though when you bump into it. Just clicked it on or something maybe. Okay. There it goes. Get all the way down. Okay. Okay, it appears to be tight. See how flat the case is, 1.5 feeler gauge. Doesn't really go in anywhere that really matters. Kind of goes in that back corner a little bit. Okay. Let's see what we got this time. Can't hold it where I need to hold it. Definitely still hitting. This is 3 thou. Hard my knuckles. Can't tell if that was over the cylinder or not. Definitely got 3. Yep, got that too. Six. Let's see, I got at least 6. Kind of hitting a little bit, kind of not hitting. What am I looking at over here? What the hell is going on? Where's the camera over there? I think I'm feeling piston slap. That definitely hits when I do that. Okay, so I got 3. I fold 2 over. That's 5, 6, 7, about 7.5 on that side. This one here we had 6. So I'm going to call this one 6 and 7. 6 and 7. This is rear. Exhaust. Okay. 7 thousandths. So the safe bit is a 10 thou base. 30 head. Gives me 33 clearance there, 34 on that one, 34 here, and 40 on that side. So that's my best way of doing it. Basically, I took about 20 thou of the motor. So 20 thousandths out of a piston is a lot. You gain about it's an 1/8 of a point per 5, I think. So that should give me a 1/2 point increase by doing that. Not doing anything else. So I can live with that. Okay, I'm getting tired. It's 2 o'clock. I'm beat. Okay, so we're gonna come back tomorrow and finish up the heads, I guess, and where they're at. I think they're over there. Work on those. Okay, one step closer. We'll be back tomorrow.